Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Mtori promise Mary. Mtori ke tonyala jwang wetsa so.
Na le tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Na le siqo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi kangakanani njana nokhaya?
Yes.
Uma friends ngadlala.
Why aren't you guys watching my shit? Fuckers, how can I get 33,000 views in 4 fucking days? What is wrong with you? What the fuck? Lamini!
Calm down.
I must calm down.
Calm down. Calm down. They've heard you. They've listened. They'll do exactly as you said.
Okay, I'm
calm
calm.
down. Hey,
I'm calm.
Thandukulwa.
Can I please have my mic?
Oh. Yeah, ne.
Imagine. I think, you know what? I'm going home after this episode.
Why?
I'm upset.
No, you'll drink your juice and then you'll calm down.
Why do you have my juice?
You gave it to me.
Why do you have my juice?
You gave it to me.
Honestly, I really want to go home. I feel like CMTV viewers don't appreciate me.
Bafetu, please.
I am going home. Oh, and I'm quitting. This is my last episode. I quit.
Quitting?
Yeah.
That's not gonna work.
I quit and I will go to spaces where I am appreciated.
Now we are saying it as if we are the ones who are not appreciating you.
No CMTV viewers. So I will just go to spaces where I am appreciated. Hi guys. How are you? I'm good. I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys be willing? It's just a couples quiz. Girl, would you be willing, sir? No. Guys, 3-4 questions and then you guys can go. Anzon, come closer. How do you know? Do you know the show?
Yes, the show.
So in Yazlabas,
Sisam.
come closer. Okay, girl, come on my right, please. Name? No, you find on my left. Here, please. Right here. Name? Theo and?
Teddy.
Teddy, come closer, Theo. Teddy, how long have you been with Theo?
Yo, now 1 year, 7 months, Maish.
1 year, 7 months.
1 year, 7 months.
Still going strong.
Yo, yes.
Okay. Theo, where did you meet her? You don't remember where you met your girl? Do you remember where he met you?
Yes.
Okay, just hold it. Where did you guys meet?
Yeah, maybe 1 year, 7 months.
Yes, love, I hear that, but where? Where did you guys meet? The location, where did you guys meet?
Matave.
I is like tavern. Like we were casually. Like your puppy, it was a club. Yes, sangane clubbing.
Okay, how did he approach you?
Yo, obviously, give me. Hi, I'm with Gama, and then I'm intro, obviously, most. And then he was willing to drink. And then I'm going to Mpuza and I'm telling you to Mpuza in.
What was under?
Yes, I stop here to me as well.
I mean, I like Savannah. I don't like Astropaz. You were drinking Astropaz.
Someone in your I was ngiyakutshela inyawupe lento leyane.
But I like Savannah. Do you know I like Savannah?
Shithu kuzi inyawupe ke.
Is it Inyawupe? Why do you say it's Inyawupe?
Iyo lento leyo idakwana kabi yibo. Ngike ngayizama ngabona ukuthi ayikho.
Astropaz doesn't make you sick.
No.
Okay, so he.
Upheli yakuphi ngithi. Amale.
So, I don't lie. Okay, so I'm taking the Astropaz here.
Ngizengela ke. Ngabona ukuthi okay guy uthi umuntu osharp yabo. Bebe ngapproach ngakhona vele and
Yeah.
we took it from there.
Okay, girl. Theo, what is it that you like about Ted?
Teddy, right. Right, yeah. Ngibonile ukuthi alo umuntu uyaphila naye gra.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngathi ngizikhethelele.
Okay, Teddy, what do you like about Theo?
Amehlo. Mihlo yakhe personality, drip yakhe yabo. Ness.
Yes. The guy clean, young, the cream, papa. No, ndiyakuvila. Okay, but do you trust him?
Ngiyamthemba.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
8. Okay, Theo, do you trust her?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. 8.
8, ne? Okay. Guys, let me get straight to the point, right?
Okay.
What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So we make you guys switch your cell phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for like 60 seconds each.
Okay.
Would you guys be willing to do that?
Yeah. No.
You willing? Yeah. Okay, Theo, I don't like that face.
Yes.
Oh, there's something you're hiding on your phone. Ha!
2 says no.
There's nothing. Are you sure? Okay, guys, then let's switch.
Okay.
Teddy, we'll start with yours, ne?
Okay.
Lams, come closer. Theo, can I have your phone, please?
Okay, ngakala mina. Okay.
Okay, cool. But I need Lams to hold his phone.
Okay.
Passcode. Theo!
Phone yami yazi ayina battery service.
So your phone is dead? But it's low? Okay, but yeah, please give it to Dlamini. Give it to this gent over here. Hey, yes, I feel like your man is hiding something good. And owned. Thank you. Okay. Go to our WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you.
Yeah, fella.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, you.
Okay, delete that. Type babe. Are you getting nervous, Teddy? Please, sissy.
Fella mina ngiyamthemba umuntu.
Ne? Okay, delete that. We're still searching. Type outside.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, nothing dodgy. Okay, type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors. We need to see girl. Okay, clean. Delete that. Type morning after pill.
Yeah, still.
Here, I girl. Delete. Type pregnant.
Royalty. Royalty.
Sarah, we see it. Nothing.
Yeah, sassy.
Okay, delete that. Type test.
Yeah, imuphela la.
Yeah. Hi, congratulations.
Yes.
Your woman is loyal. Thank you, Teddy.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Don't disappoint us, please. Vuli phone.
Ngiyamthemba kanjani?
Uyamthemba? I don't.
Mina ngitongondibule.
Now what thing you was Lisa very good.
Intoni ezosilwisa?
Lani?
Sure.
Sure.
Kukho into efowunini yakho Dani ezonilwisa?
Kunalex.
Okay, thank you. Did he go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type love you.
Okay. Yimi la kuqala.
Okay.
Ya ngiyabona.
Okay, delete, type miss you.
Miss you. Okay. Angazi noma uyangibonisa or yimi obonayo.
Khalida,
Wait.
sibona izinto apha Theo. Go into the chat.
Yes ne? Okay. Nakho. Ethi ngicela ukubheka igama wait. Ngoba lama number wasave wanga here. Ayanda.
Go into media.
Okay. Yeah.
Theo, sibona izinto apha.
Hayibo.
Sibona izinto apha.
Bazoyanda.
Ayanda. Ngimazela phi? Umdelile ngayo.
Noba bemazi, why you guys flirting?
How I miss you here like and izinto za recent like izolo. Ungathi baby wait. Sibambe hold it. Like baby. Ngibiza ngo baby kanjani? Nisenela nama nudes.
Give me the phone, Drums.
Bongafuni vele ukuthi ngibone lezi zinto lezi that is why ne.
Mara hlezi iphethe ifoni yami yazi ifoni yami ngiyayiphatha ifoni yakho ngiyalibamba. Yini?
Inudes zisuka phi wena Theo? I'm gonna call Ayanda, ne?
Okay.
Theo.
Yo. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Why wenza kanjalo?
Hi, can I please speak to Ayanda?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Ayanda?
Yeah.
Like uzwa ne voice yakho na hi. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani?
Ngishapha.
Okay, before siyakuthi ukhuluma no Teddy la girlfriend ka Theo.
Girlfriend.
Yes, girlfriend. Ngibona ama number wakhe efonini yomuntu wami like what the fuck ubani wena?
Hayibo ntombazana.
Ungathi ntombazana ubani?
Izinto zaningi lezo.
Ngiyazibona manje like abo I miss you izolo lana ngathi beninama meet up futhi recently. Kwenzakalani enhleki?
Ngithi wena uqale nini ukufana nomuntu wami?
Dala ngina 1 year 7 months wena mawuthi umuntu wakho na how many years or weeks or whatever. Niqale nini iqala siqale kuwe sinibuze.
Wayengabuzi umuntu wakho uze mina sisi.
Ngiyabona ngitelisa ngeyifebe zakho manje. Ungitelisa ngongazi baby. Uyazi lo muntu lo. Hey wena uyamazi lo. Uyazi lo muntu lo le mali akupha yona ukuthi imali yami. Kahle kahle nina niyangijwayela. Niyangijwayela. Uyazi ukuthi akana next akasebenza akayenzi next. Uthini?
Mara ngikeza imali.
Uyakunikeza because of imali yami. Uyazi ukuthi uthola boyfriend allowance ngemali yami. Akana next nalamakhadi awasebenzisa wami.
Hayi kuyacaca ukuthi ngidla imali yakho sisendi imnandi cabanga.
Ungidelelisa ni. Jwayela kabi yazi wena ngicela wow. Uyangijwayela ne? Uyangijwayela kahle kahle. Uyawuze le ntombazana ikhuluma nami kanjani? Ungathi sikhulume. Ngicela utobhele. Kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngicale nini? Ungangibambi ngicale nini? Ngicale nini?
Lethu leya iside dala ngomuntu uhlangane naye lokuya.
Yini engingakuphi yona wait yini engingakuphi yona mina yini ongayitholi kimi ukuthi yena unaye engcono.
Ngiyazi
Ungangisondeli because ngizovela ngikuklaphe ke ungangisondeli.
Silas bese.
Next.
Nizoyenza nithithile
Ungangidini. Letha nje ngisafuna next. Engihlanganisa nawe kokuqala uqoka mina. Udla mina. Nale phone le nayo isebenzisa yona.
Ngeyakho. Ooh, iphi la phone Drums? You still paying for it?
Ungangibambi.
Ngasikhuluma.
Ungangibambi.
Why did you cheat when uchitelani we?
Eish. Yabona Khulman.
Uchitelani?
Akala nereason kanjalo.
Akanayo nereason like we asking him.
Yini ongayitholi? Yini ongayitholi kimi because like ngikupha yonke into oyifunayo. Yini?
Ngicela.
Ooh.
Ungaguqi.
Sana lwami.
Ekuyami. Oh,
Okay, ngiyasithemba.
that's why bowungafuni isime la cause yizo lezi zinto lezo zifihlayo.
Lento leya angithi ngitshela ukuthi lo muntu ngihlangana naye sikudala lo muntu angihlanganisi next naye. Wabona babe.
Teddy, yonke lento le ayenzayo ngimangele and last time la benginama STI ngingazi ukuthi ngingathatha kanti
busy. Teddy, do you want to stay?
no,
It's over, no?
I'm fine.
Yabona.
Right. Like akangiphi into zami ne. Hambe aye kibo.
Okay.
Uhlala nami la ngirente khona ya. Akahambe.
Ayolanda into zakhe. Benisiya
Azi ngalezi zinto azengazo. Ngaleyo jean leyo neskipa. Nalamaphaca wakho la waya uthatha ulethe into zami, bring everything ngisafuni next. Angisafuni next and you must pay me all the money I've been giving you. Ngisafuni next ungijwayela ka wena.
Mana ukhulume naye.
Ne ungafaka
Thatha naye Dlamini.
akafebi.
Wabona.
Akafemfaki.
But Cassidy ambochita Theo. Ufuna uthini Teddy, you leaving him now you're done?
Umqedile like right.
Okay.
Right yo ngiyeke.
Theo miyeke.
Right akaphumi kimi nje.
Theo. In fact Theo you can leave us.
Thank you. Ngicela hlala.
Okay mina ngifuna ukuhamba nomntwana.
Akakufuni njengoba nawe Teddy.
Hayibo.
Akafuni uhamba nawe Teddy.
Wenzele yona like serious. Userious vele.
Wabona ngiserious ngawe yazi ngiserious.
Maye uyenzele lento uyenzile. Boyenzelani ke from the start kwinqizini ke. Ngazi yini name enginganayo leyanayo.
Serious lento.
Buchita nje.
Serious.
Teddy my skirt, you don't need transport, you fine?
No, futhi bhatala mina maybe we use need transport.
Okay, my skirt, you can leave us there. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Teddy, do you need transport? Yo, Theo.
No. Kugana nami.
Ngiyeke wethu Dlamini. Yeah, Dlams. I think people should have left dating in 2025.
Yazi bekumele isale ra.
Yeah.
2025 isale ra.
I also think so.
Ngizizwa ubuhlungu ngoba labantu labosisa banemali laba. Why bengezi kimi? Bafethu ngiyatshela oyedwa. Uthi sabayi10 abasinabayi2. Just sisoyedwa othi yazi.
I wanna take care of that.
Yeah, mina nginemali. Engidinga nje ngifuna umjide. Ngiyacela please, ngicela ninginbox.
DM Dlamini.
Wani DM, hayi kabi. Onalento. Yeah, unemali ozothi nje Dlamini, mina angifune imali, ngifune nje umuntu enzospend imali kuyena, ngiyacela.
Okay. And then guys with me, please stop DMing me. I'm not interested in a relationship or I'm focused on my career, right? Please stop DMing. Umnake ndisendicela ke ucela nindiyeke ukufa.
Oh, really?
Yo. Oh, you. Cela nindiyeke please. I'm begging you. I'm not interested, please. That's my request. Dlamini, DM Dlamini, the ladies, the men, leave me alone. And I can't under the tiki. And funny Nick.
Ayiko. Yo
Ayiko too. I don't know my foot is all on a tree. She must not want love.
Guys, nami I've tried. Ngisabathe ngiyazangishanga nanga.
And Zenzisi, I'm not pretending. I genuinely, I want nothing. And guys, shame, no one hurt me. I don't want to date right now. Maybe I'll try again in 2 years.
Ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu usifazana njengawe mfethu hayi man. Akunyakaza indawo nje.
Nix akhona into Dlamini, akhona into niqomba.
Bafethu miyekeni.
Ukayonja ngicela. I'm very satisfied and happy with how I am and how my life is right now.
Uhlala 2 years esingini. Angashayisana ayithole ahlale.
And indeed I'm happy. And people think I'm pretending. I'm not.
And you are happy.
I am.
Udalwe ngenye indlela.
It's fine.
Mhlawumbe kumele ngiyogeza emanzini ahamba. I serious.
Dlamini.
It's not normal.
I think it is normal.
It's not normal for a lady. It's not normal.
For a man, it's not normal.
For a man, it is. A lady now.
A man not wanting.
Yeah.
Umfaz.
Yeah. It's normal. Umuntu wesifazane. Hayi mfethu.
I think it's normal for a woman, not indoor.
No, it's normal for us. Pinda.
Is it normal?
Ah, sangithi. Not for women.
Let's okay, fine. I guess I'm an alien. Let's close the show, Jams.
Angithandi lento kuyo yazi. It hurts me.
Why are you?
Fine.
And people do feel sorry for me. I'm just like, why do you feel sorry for me?
Thandi, serious. We are here to help you.
I don't need help.
No matter, even if it's not gonna be permanent help, just
That's not necessary. You know, the more you go without something, the less you need it, or the less you think about it.
Lisa, this is nature. You cannot fight nature. Nature always wins.
Let's close the show, guys.
Okay.
All right, CMTV viewers, what's the time? That is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ Tlamini, what's the time? And do follow me on Facebook.
I say it.
Oh. Sorry.
Mana, should I tell them why you're asking time?
Yes.
Should I tell them?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Because they might think it's what you thought earlier, and I don't want that to be
Okay,
some rumor.
Alright,
Now it's,
okay.
yeah.
It will stay between me and you.
Thank you, Dlamini.
Close Instagram, welcome _Dlamini88. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga. Hey.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.